When I was applying the lube to this bearing, if you notice these little scratches here, I didn't do those. Those are straight out of the Clevite box. And you can tell the scratches are actually put into it before the bevel. They actually deeper than the bevel. If you look, the bevel's extremely smooth. You can tell. Fingernail does catch them, but they've been grinded and they smooth to the touch. I mean, they ain't got no nicks or anything on them. They all aluminum bearing, by the way. All aluminum bearing. I'm gonna run it, but always check your bearings, and you never know. You know, this one's on the edge. That ain't the main part for the load too. So they probably would have discarded it if they was in the middle. But what's on the side here, and this was from an eBay listing, this Clevite set of bearings, and it was extremely cheaper than the 120 at the auto parts store. I think I got these like $60, so I guess that seller gets these at a discounted price and sells them cheaper because of little defects like this. So that's something to look out for. But I'm going to install this one.